Hello my dear students, welcome to Damre Sir's YouTube channel. Myself Mr. Rohit Suresh Damre. I am working as an assistant teacher in Sundarbai Marathi Vidyalay, Kharadi, Pune 14. Today we are going to learn about Standard 7, Subject General Science, Chapter number 3, that is Properties of Natural Resources. First topic is Properties of Air. Air is a mixture of gases. Therefore, it has mass and weight. This is the pressure of air that we feel is atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is the same in all directions. When there exists a difference in the air pressure at two different places, the air starts flowing from the place of lower pressure. At such times, we feel a breeze or a wind blowing. The level of humidity of the air is determined by its capacity to hold water vapors. During the night or at dawn, when the temperature of air is low, its capacity to hold the vapor is less. At such times, the excess vapor is transformed into water droplets. This is what we call dew. The proportion of water vapor in the air is high during the monsoons and in coastal areas. As a result, we feel dampness or air is a mixture of very fine particles of some gases, dust, smoke, and moisture. When rays of light fall on these minute particles, the particles spread the light in all the directions. This natural phenomenon is called scattering of light. The next concept is density of water. What is density? Density is the interrelationship between volume and mass of a substance. The space occupied by a substance is its volume, while the store of matter in substance is its mass. Therefore, the formula of density is equals to mass upon volume. Mass is measured in grams and volume in cubic centimeter. Hence, the unit of density is gram per cc, that is cubic centimeter. Gram per cc, it is the unit of. The next concept is anomalous behavior of water. When water at a normal temperature starts cooling, its density increases like that of most liquids. However, if its temperature falls below 4 degrees Celsius, its density starts decreasing. This means that the density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. If the temperature of water is lowered below 4 degrees Celsius, its density decreases and volume increases. It means that water expands when the temperature falls below 4 degrees Celsius. This phenomenon is called as the anomalous behavior of water. Thank you very much. If you really like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share.